Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to find Clickbank product by ID. So when you log into your Clickbank account, you will go to your accounts and here you can see all your nicknames for your account. Then you will go to affiliate marketplace, it will open a new tab, and for example I will go to health and fitness for a product like this and will click promote. For example, you will create a hop link and you will copy paste one of your nicknames that you are using on your account. Mine is this, like this, and I will paste it. And tracking ID, you put what you want. I will put something simple, for example something like this, and you will create your hop link and you will get your hop link like this. And this is how you can find Clickbank products by your ID. You can see your hop links and you can find it like this. So if you put a nickname randomly, something random like this, you cannot create your hop link, and that's how you can find it. If you put your nickname that you are using in that, you can create it, and that is how you find it. If you are interested in some other Clickbank videos, you can visit our channel down below. And thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.